What if you could build your own AI agent, not in weeks, not in days, but in just a few minutes? An agent that can think, decide, call APIs, process data, and solve painful real-world tasks automatically. Welcome to OpenAI Agent Workflow Studio. OpenAI's new Workflow Studio is a game changer. Instead of writing thousands of lines of code, you visually design an entire intelligent workflow. Before we build a real agent, let's quickly understand the three building blocks. This box you see here is an AI agent. An agent is simply a smart component that uses OpenAI's LLM to read input, understand it, and take action automatically. A workflow is the sequence of steps an agent follows to get a task done. It defines the complete flow of logic from start to finish. Each of these boxes is a node. Nodes are the building blocks of the workflow. Every node performs one specific task, like starting an action, running an agent, searching files, or formatting the output. Some nodes are agents themselves, while others support logic, tools, or data. Now, let's take a real-world problem. Imagine you're this person, sitting in front of hundreds, sometimes thousands, of resumes. All different formats, different skill sets, different experiences. And on top of this, there's a job description you must match them against. Manually, one by one. It's overwhelming, it's time-consuming, and honestly, it's painful. But now, imagine the same situation again. This time, you're not alone. Instead of manually reading every resume, your AI agent steps in. Now, this is what changes everything. The AI agent reads every resume, understands the job description, matches skills, experience, and fit, and instantly produces a ranked list of candidates. Clean, organized, accurate, no stress, no manual effort, just the top 10 resumes, ready for review. Now that you've seen what the AI agent can do, let me show you exactly how it works. Let's jump into the actual demo. This is the preview mode, where we can test the agent and watch every step of the screening process unfold in real time. The first step is simple, we upload the job description. Next, we upload the resume that we want the agent to analyze. Give the prompt, screen the resume. And now, the real magic begins. And just like that, the entire workflow activates. Every node in workflow starts to work as per its configurations. And here's the best part, the agent scores every requirement in the job description with precision and delivers the results instantly. At the top, you see the overall match score, a quick snapshot of how closely the candidate fits the role. Below that, the agent breaks down the fit for each individual requirement. Job title match, location match, employment type, summary, responsibilities, everything is analyzed in detail. Each section shows a percentage score for how well the candidate meets that specific requirement. Let's jump into OpenAI Studio, the link is right below in the description. This is the Agent Builder, your control center for creating powerful AI agents. From this landing page, you can create a brand new workflow in seconds, or pick from any of your existing drafts and templates. It's that simple. Now click Create. You'll see the starter workflow with two agent nodes. The start node comes by default, and the second node is ready for you to customize. Let's rename that second node to Upload Resume JD. Next, we'll add a file search node, and then a display node. Now connect everything, start right pointing arrow upload resume JD right pointing arrow file search right pointing arrow display. And just like that, with only a few clicks, your workflow is already taking shape. I've already prepared the full instructions for this node. Here's what it does. This node acts as an AI-powered candidate job matcher. It takes two inputs, a job description PDF and a candidate resume PDF. From the job description, it extracts the key requirements, job title, location, experience, responsibilities, and qualifications. From the resume, it pulls the actual candidate details, their role, experience, skills, and even job switches. Then it compares the two using smart matching methods, string overlap, semantic similarity, or numeric rules, and assigns a score from 0 to 100 for each requirement. In short, it fully automates resume screening with structured, accurate scoring. Just copy the instructions I have given and paste to the instructions parameter of Upload Resume JD node. Next, we define the output of upload resume JD node so that the display agent can process it and render the results in clean HTML. For this, I've created a JSON schema that structures the output for the next node. All the instructions and schemas I'm using here are available on my GitHub. The link is in the description below. Simply copy the schema, paste it into the output type, and the node is ready. Now let's configure the file search node. First, we add the query in file search node. I have prepared the query for this node. Just copy and paste to the query parameter of file search node. Next, we set up the vector store and file storage to handle the uploaded files. Click Create in the File Search panel, and a new tab opens where you can create a vector store. In this demo, I'll use an existing one, so I'll simply copy the store ID, go back to the Agent Builder, and paste it in. Next, we configure the output for the display node. We want the results presented in HTML, clean and human readable. For that, we use a widget inside the OpenAI Widget Studio. In this demo, I'll upload a widget I've already built. Widgets let you define exactly how the agent's output should look, and for our use case, an HTML widget gives us a clean, formatted result. Now let's test the workflow in preview mode. Click Preview on the top right, the test screen opens. Upload a Cloud Architect job description, upload a candidate's resume, and simply type, screen this. On the left panel, you can watch each agent node in action. You see exactly what's being executed at every step. Here you can see the results in a clean HTML view, comparing the Cloud Architect role with the candidate. Here's the result in a clean HTML view, comparing the Cloud Architect role with the candidate, Priya Sharma. Each requirement is scored, showing exactly where the resume matches. This makes it easy for HR teams to make quick, informed decisions. And if you're happy with the output, you can publish the workflow for production using the Publish button. If you like the content, do subscribe and like.